Welcome, everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to understand the vocabulary associated with functions and their key features. How are we learning it? Through the reasoning with features of functions vocabulary flashcards and the reasoning with features of functions vocabulary quiz assignment. When can we use this information? To assist with the vocabulary and the lessons of this unit. How do you know you learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the reasoning with features of functions vocabulary quiz assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over our learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. Once you've completed your Get It Started, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. After that, I'll give you time to complete the reasoning with features of functions vocabulary quiz assignment. Once you've completed the assignment, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is to work on any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's talk now about how to access Quizlet to view your vocabulary cards. So if you notice, there are flashcards here when you click on the link to go to Quizlet. If you notice, if you click on the card, it will give you the term. And if you click it again, it goes to the definition. So you can click this back and forth, and it keeps going back and forth between the definition and the term. Now, that being said, the issue that you'll have is it won't let you view all the cards unless you log in. So this is how you log in. I'm going to go here to where it says log in, and I'm going to click on log in with Google. It's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to use my school email account. And you should already be logged into that because you've accessed this through Google Classroom. So we should be good. So now I should see my picture here in the corner that says that I'm logged in. And now I can go through and view all the flashcards. I can go through to the next one and continue to flip them over and see the definitions and the terms. So you'll go through this, and then once you're done going through these, you can go back to the Google form and fill out your vocab quiz. Let's take a look now at the reasoning with features of functions vocabulary quiz assignment. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can see the questions. The first one says, which of the following terms means a function that is not the same for f of x and f of negative x? Well, we know that is called an odd function, so we're going to put that there. The next one says, which of the following terms means a point that is not on the graph? It can be factored out of the top and bottom of the equation. We call that a whole, so we put that one. And we're going to continue to answer all these questions until we get to the end. Once we get to the end of the assignment, we'll click Next. This will take you to your Before You Go. Go ahead and fill out your Before You Go and then submit your work on Google Classroom.